Hi, in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to show or how to always show more options on the Windows 11. So first of all, of course, all you need to do just go and open the PC that contains, of course, the Windows 11. And of course, if you have a Windows 10, you can just go, or if you are a Windows 10 user, you can just go into your settings to upgrade into Windows 11, and and it's gonna be totally free. So if you do that, you can even like let the installation run in the background of your PC if you want to use your PC in the meanwhile. And of course, once the installation finished, you will be notified to restart or to reboot your PC. And when you do that, you will find your Windows 11 ready to use. So, and of course, you will even have a recovery point if you want to go back into your Windows 10 if you want, but I bet you would like the Windows 11 as well. So as I said, we would like to always show more option on the Windows 11. So how we'll be able to do that? How can we do that? So to enable show more options, of course, on the Windows 11, you of course can just right click. As you can see, for some persons, for some people that don't know what we are talking about, we are talking about this show more options. If you click on it, you will find yourself like you are in Windows 10, because Windows 10 has this pop out when you right click on something, but Windows 11, when you right click, you find this instead. And of course, if you want to get your Windows 10, you will have to click on this show more options. So as we said, we would like to always show more. So as you can see here, they're actually showing us a shortcut to do that. We can, once we right click, we can just click at Shift plus F10, and as you can see, that will close it for us. But if we would like to open it always, all we need to do, just hold the Shift button with your, of course, hand on the keyboard, then right click, and as you can see, it will open the normal one. If you right click directly, you will have this one, which is the Windows 11 one. If you shift and right click, you'll find the Windows 10 one, which is the usual one. So this was actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching, and goodbye.